Welcome back to Genius Boost Academy, your ultimate destination for smart and simple learning. I am Rajesh Singh, and in today's sessions we are going to unravel one of the most important topics in English grammar, that is time and tense. So let's begin tense chapter with its definition. Different forms of verb which tell us in which time the work is done is called tense. There are three tenses in English grammar: present tense, past tense, and future tense. Each tense has four subdivisions. Let's know all four subdivisions of present tense: simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. Now let's know past tense. Simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous tense. Simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, and future perfect continuous tense. Thus, there are four subdivisions of each tense, and altogether there are 12 tenses. Now, questions is, what is present tense? A verb that refers to present time is said to be in present tense. In present tense, first tense is simple present tense. So we will practice in this video simple present tense. Let's know the definitions of simple present tense. Simple present tense is used to mention simply the time without being said about completeness or incompleteness of the action. Example: the sun rises in the east. Nancy runs a parlor. These are examples of simple present tense. Principle: the verb of Hindi sentence which ends with ta hai, ti hai, te hain, etc. is known as simple present tense. Somewhere this tense is also called present indefinite tense, especially in old grammar. Rules: helping verb or auxiliary verb am, is, are is not used in this tense. Present tense form or V1 is used. S or es is added in the verb of third person singular number. In negative or interrogative sentence, we use do or does auxiliary verb. Now let's know the structure and example. Structure for assertive sentence: I, we, you, they, plural number plus present tense form plus object. He, she, it, singular number plus present tense form with s or es plus object. Example: we speak English. They live in India. Negative sentence: I, we, you, they, plural number plus don't plus V1 plus object. He, she, it, singular number plus doesn't plus V1 plus object. Example: Nidhi doesn't play cricket. They don't speak Hindi. Now structure for interrogative sentence: do oblique does plus subject plus V1 plus object. Do you live in India? Does she write a letter? Now next structure, and it's for negative and interrogative sentence. Don't oblique doesn't plus subject plus V1 plus object. Don't you walk in the morning? Doesn't she speak Hindi? These are the examples of negative and interrogative sentence. Now last one, that is question word. What, where, when, why, who, which, whom, how, plus do oblique does plus subject plus V1 plus object. Example: how do you come here? When do you play chess? These are the examples of WH word sentences. Guys, if you are new visitor in this channel, then you are requested to subscribe this channel today. See you in next video. Till then, bye.